Welcome to this tutorial on AWS CloudTrail, one of the most important security services in Amazon Web Services. CloudTrail is your comprehensive solution for API activity logging, enabling you to track every action that occurs in your AWS environment. This service is essential for maintaining audit trails and meeting compliance requirements in cloud infrastructure. CloudTrail is an AWS service that records every API call made in your account. It captures critical information about who performed an action, what action was performed when it happened, and where it originated from. This logging works across all interfaces, whether you're using the AWS console, command line interface, software development kits, or direct API calls. CloudTrail is fundamental for security auditing and compliance, giving you complete visibility into your AWS environment. CloudTrail consists of 4 key components. First, events are individual records of a single API call or activity. Second, trails are configurations that define how events are delivered to S3 storage. Third, event history provides a 90-day viewable log directly in the console for quick access. Finally, log files are JSON-formatted files that get stored in S3 buckets for long-term retention and analysis. CloudTrail captures 3 types of events. Management events record control plane operations like creating, deleting, or modifying resources. These are the administrative actions that change your AWS infrastructure. Data events track resource operations such as S3 object access or Lambda function invocations. Finally, Insights events use machine learning to detect unusual API activity patterns, helping you identify potential security issues or operational anomalies. Let's look at the structure of a CloudTrail event. Each event is a JSON object containing key information. The event name identifies the action, such as create bucket. User identity shows who made the call, including the type like IAM user. Event time records when it happened in UTC format. Event source shows which AWS service was involved. Source IP address indicates where the request came from. Request parameters contain the details of what was requested, and response elements show the outcome. Error codes help with troubleshooting failed operations. Creating a trail involves 5 steps. First, open the CloudTrail console and click Create Trail. Second, name your trail and decide whether it should capture events from a single region or all regions. Third, specify an S3 bucket where log files will be stored. Fourth, configure which event types you want to capture, such as management events, data events, or both. Fifth, enable log file encryption using AWS Key Management Service and turn on log file validation to ensure integrity. Follow these security best practices for CloudTrail. Enable log file encryption with KMS to protect sensitive data. Turn on log file validation to verify that logs haven't been tampered with. Use multi-region trails to ensure coverage across all regions. Set up CloudWatch alarms for critical events to get real-time notifications. Configure S3 lifecycle policies to manage log retention and costs. Finally, restrict S3 bucket access with policies to prevent unauthorized access to your audit logs. CloudTrail integrates seamlessly with other AWS services to enhance your security and monitoring capabilities. Send events to CloudWatch logs for real-time monitoring and alerting. Use Amazon Athena to query logs with SQL for deep analysis of activities. Connect to EventBridge to automate responses to specific API activities. Integrate with Security Hub for centralized security findings and compliance checks across your entire AWS environment. CloudTrail serves several important use cases. For security analysis, it helps detect unauthorized access attempts and suspicious activities. For compliance auditing, it provides the audit trails needed to meet regulatory requirements. When troubleshooting, CloudTrail helps you track down configuration changes that may have caused issues. It enables user activity tracking so you can monitor what team members are doing. During incident response, CloudTrail logs are invaluable for investigating security events and breaches. Let's recap the key points. CloudTrail provides comprehensive audit logging for all AWS accounts. It automatically captures management events, data events, and insights events. The service is essential for meeting security compliance requirements and conducting incident investigations. CloudTrail integrates seamlessly with CloudWatch, Athena, and EventBridge for enhanced functionality. For best security practices, always enable encryption, log file validation, and proper monitoring. With CloudTrail properly configured, you have complete visibility and control over your AWS environment.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.